Hey everyone, getting a government grant is a huge win for your business, but if you record it as regular sales income, you could be messing up your metrics and your taxes. Today, I'm showing you the correct way to set up a grant account and record the deposit so your books stay clean. Let's jump in. Step 1. Create a grant income account. First, we need a specific spot for this money on your reports. Go to the chart of accounts, click New, and set the account type to Other Income. For the detail type, choose Other Miscellaneous Income. Name the account something clear, like Government Grant Income, and hit Save. Step 2. Record the deposit. Now, let's record the actual money hitting your bank. Click the plus New button and select Bank Deposit. Choose the bank account where the funds were deposited and set the date. Under the Add Funds to this deposit section, leave the Received From blank and select your new Government Grant Income account in the Account column. Step 3. Add a reference note. In the description or memo field, it's a great idea to paste the name of the grant or the application number. This is a lifesaver if you ever get audited or need to prove where the money came from. Enter the full amount and hit Save and Close. Step 4. Match in the bank feed. If you use bank feeds, go to the Banking tab. You'll see the deposit come through from the government. Since we already recorded the deposit manually, QuickBooks should show a green Match button. Click it to link the two and prevent duplicates. Step 5. Verify on your profit and loss. To make sure it's right, run a profit and loss report. You'll see your regular operating income at the top and your government grant safely tucked away in the other income section at the bottom. This keeps your true profit margins accurate. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.